Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray color, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got nice rear park sensing, dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera, and moving to the front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with an upgraded B&O sound system, flat-fold storage system with cup holders and storage, 12-volt rear vents with outlets, 120 volt, and of course a lovely split-folding rear bench seat. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we can see here we have power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, that B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 32,029 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer. We got my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, phone, laptop, more storage here. You do get rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, and drive modes. Little coin slot with Pro Trailer Assist. Dual climate up front with heated front seats. 12-volt, 120 with storage above, below. On the dash with our lovely features for our powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We got auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, traction, and hill assist with Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. You got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, your navigation, search recent saved, little red dot showing your vehicle's bin. Fave apps will be found in here, such as, come on girl, messages, emails, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up in here with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8375, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.